Hello viewers, today we are going to expose top 5 action cameras in 2023 which is available on Amazon. So let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a powerhouse action camera known for its exceptional video quality and advanced features. With its 5K video capability, Hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization, and Time Warp 3.0, it delivers smooth and cinematic footage. It also offers a front-facing display, enhanced battery life, and waterproofing up to 33 feet. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action is a popular choice for adventure enthusiasts. It features a dual-screen design with a front-facing display for easy vlogging. With 4K video recording, rocksteady stabilization, and HDR video, it captures stunning visuals even in challenging environments. The Osmo Action is also waterproof up to 36 feet and offers intuitive controls. Number 3. Sony RX0 II. The Sony RX0 II is a compact and rugged action camera that packs a punch. It boasts a 1-inch exmor RS sensor and a wide-angle Zeiss lens, delivering exceptional image quality. The camera offers 4K video recording, image stabilization, and an adjustable LCD screen. It is also waterproof, shockproof, and crushproof, making it ideal for extreme adventures. Number 4. Insta361R. The Insta361R is a modular action camera that offers versatility and creative freedom. It features interchangeable lens modules, including a 360-degree module, allowing you to capture unique perspectives. With 5.7K video recording, flow state stabilization, and AI editing capabilities, it provides an immersive and user-friendly experience. Number 5. Garmin VRB Ultra 30. The Garmin VRB Ultra 30 is a feature-packed action camera tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers 4K video recording, 3-axis image stabilization, and a built-in GPS for tracking data overlays. The camera also features voice control, a touchscreen display, and is waterproof up to 131 feet. Additionally, it integrates with Garmin's ecosystem, providing compatibility with various sensors and accessories. These top 5 action cameras offer a range of features and capabilities to suit different needs and budgets, ensuring you can capture your thrilling adventures in the UK with exceptional quality and ease.